good, Alex. Looking good, buddy.
Oh, shit.
Let's go, 8. Let's go, 8.
What is it?
What's that score? 4-0.
Huh?
4-0. It's a hard position.
Hey, just ease that throw down there, buddy, all right? Don't throw your arm out.
Throws off here, Nate.
Catch
He's
around
on,
like
buddy.
this.
He's on.
We just, there's one of those attorneys that would,
Yeah.
all that kind of stuff.
There you go. Oh,
Hurt his arm.
good?
Come, Nate. Come, Nate. Need you on, Nate. Need you on, Nate. Bring me up in the fear. Let's go. Come on. Come, Nate. Serve him on. Good eye. Good eye. Good eye, Nate.
Finish your throw. Finish your throw.
Let's go. Come on, Avalanche. Come, Nate.
I hear you.
My boy Alex.
How you doing?
That look good, Alex. Let's go now.
Drive it. Drive it.
Hang on that ball. Hang on that
Let's go, Alex. You got it now. Let's go.
Come, Nate. Come, Nate. Come, dude. You got this, Nate. You got this. Come on. Be a hitter. Be a hitter. Come on, Nate. Good eye. Good eye.
Come on, Alex. Need one right here.
Strong front leg, Alex. Strong front leg.
Check the plate, Nate. Check that plate.
There it is.
ball. Bingo.
Go there, run, run, run,
Come up with that. Called it out there.
Let's go. Whoever's got it, got it.
Contact, Nate. Good job, buddy.
There we go, Jacob!
Yeah.
Come on, Jake.
That was a duel. I got it.
At least somebody won.
Nice pitch.
Nice
Nice pitch.
Nice pitch, Alex.
Keep bringing it, Alex.
Good eye. Come, Jake. Come, Jake. Can't hear you. I can't hear you.
I don't know, man. I have no idea why I did that. Ducking out of the way.
Hey, like I said, I'd rather somebody do that and sit there like that.
Yeah. That's always fun to watch it
that
on
dumb
the
mode.
NBA in Major League game.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Attaboy, Alex. Way to throw the ball, big guy. Hey, way to throw
Hey,
it.
Alex, you rolling now. Let's get it.
You gotta win the inning, man. You gotta win the inning here. Come on, Zane.
Yes, sir, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Throw it the glove now.
Oh. Tempo, Alex. Tempo.
Be ready. Here it comes. Drive it. Drive it, Zane.
Got slow. The arm got behind.
Yeah.
Come, Zane.
Hey, pull it down now. Pull it down now.
You got it, big guy. Look good out there, 15.
Come, Zane.
Pull the shoulders too.
Yep.
Let's go, Ed. Come on, buddy. Come on now.
Drive to the plate, Alex. Drive to the plate. Don't turn.
Rip it here. Rip it here. Come on, Zane.
Come on, Alex. Get it. Let's get it. You in the glove.
There it is.
There you go!
Boy, Alex.
There you go! Way to fight back!
Glove it, Alex.
Alright, Alex!
Can't catch up to it if he can get it over the plate. There it is. Ooh. Good pitch, Alex. That's a good pitch. It's all right. Check your runner.
Check your runner. You ready, Ty?
Attaboy.
No, he
Gotta back him up, Ethan.
Ethan, back him up.
You okay? You're okay? You're okay? Secondary.
Oh.
get it right there. Come get it. Come get
Hurry
it.
up, hurry up.
Come to the plate, Ty.
No runner, no runner. Hold it out.
Attaboy, Alex. Way to come.
It's there driving.
Hey, T, I need you blocking, buddy. You got to block, big guy.
We got a scratch here, guys. We got a scratch. Come on.
Everything in front of you,
Everything
T.
in front of you, T. Bingo.
Come on now, come on, watch him now.
Keep it in front of you, Ty. In front of you, Ty. Keep that runner there, big guy.
Nice job,
Good
Ty.
job, Ty.
Straight to the plate, Alex. Straight to the plate.
Check to the plate. Come on, have a hot dog. Hit it, buddy.
There he goes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good inning. Let's go now.
Isn't it scary? I was like, as soon as I saw his,
Because you've seen how smooth he went. He just,
yeah,
everything was fluent right there.
It was.
I knew as soon as he gets right here, I know whether it's a strike or not. It's
Right,
really sad.
Yeah, he was.